We conduct parliament in such a way that the voice of the people of India is listened to and which looks after and builds the future of the country. The meaning of free India is that it has an independent judiciary and rule of law. Free India means that it has a free and unfettered press. But it is not so easy to protect democracy, especially when we find that there are people who endanger our freedom through irresponsibility and indiscipline, who saw disrespect to the Constitution and its institutions through their behavior. Still, we have demonstrated that the roots of democracy in our country are deep. Our people must remain alert. It is only a government based on democracy that can function in a country like India. Our great economic achievements have been acclaimed all over the world. Gandhiji had taught us that the process of development and the task of building the country should begin with the poor people by eradicating poverty. He taught us that the moral duties should be kept in the forefront in our national life. We have taken the country forward towards these very objectives. Eradication of poverty has been given highest priority. We have used our entire energy in eradicating poverty. Indira Ji gave a call for eradicating poverty. She brought about a new awakening in the country, as a result of which there was reduction in poverty. Because of her new economic program and other programs for rural development, be it NREP or IRDP or any other, there has been improvement in the lives of the poor people in the country. We see that the picture has changed during the last 40 years. 40 years ago, two-thirds of India's population was below the poverty line. Today, two-thirds of the population has come above the poverty line. This achievement is due to our anti-poverty programs. They have also smashed the hold of feudalism. Eradication of poverty has been carried forward through the Green Revolution. As a result, in just a few years' time, we have improved considerably on the forfeiters, as earlier there was drought 21 years ago. Prime Minister has to seek food grains from foreign countries. How small she felt when she has to bow down to others for food grains. It was then that she decided that never again would India appeal to foreign countries for food grains. She overruled her technocrats and her other advisors and took steps which brought about the Green Revolution in the northwestern part of the country. Indira Ji's foresight and hard work of farmers produced these desired results. Stop.